In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating and launching Recorder app. Then hit agree at the bottom right corner and use this button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now to listen to it, just click on it. Then hit allow in the pop-up and wait. Click on your recording again. And then, if you wish to rename it, hold it. Now select rename at the bottom, type in wherever you want to and hit OK. If you wish to delete it though, hold it one more time and this time just click on sorry misclick. This time just click on delete at the bottom in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!